Alright, YouTube, I am on a mission here. I missed Cherry Hill Volkswagen because they're in Land Rover. So I'm on Route 70. And Route 70, so right up the road here on Route 70 was Universal Auto, was the first shop I was going to consider buying on a lease purchase. But I know the guy, I was 30 years younger, and that guy was probably 30 years ahead of me. Probably nobody in his family wanted the business anymore, nor does employees, and they're closed. But I want to just show you how much auto repair has regressed. So Universal Auto, busy shop, upscale Cherry Hill, no longer in business. Land Rover went out over here in Cherry Hill. There's Just Tires went out of business. Lots of empty buildings. Crazy. There's another gas station here. It used to be a very, very busy gas station and service center, and it's just empty again. Two-bay shop, busy highway, easy to pump gas, make a little money, grab some service bay work. Done. Tires, done. Just Tires has a huge building on Haddonfield Road. It's just empty right now. Over here, this used to be another with tons of bays. It was R&S Strauss. In the back, you'll see that the bays were in the back. They're boxed up. Now you see it's Whole Hog Cafe and Wine Legend. Yeah, so and this is a good area. I mean, there is tons of traffic. The home density is not like Philadelphia, but I think some of it is you don't have to fix your car in New Jersey. You don't have to fix your car in New Jersey because no one's making you do it. It means you can drive around on ball tires. You can drive around with your engine lights on and all your warning lights on. And even if you go through inspection, they fail you. Most people over here are just like, yeah, so what? So what? Yeah, so this used to be the Land Rover. They moved. They're like, yeah, this isn't working for us. And it worked for years. Now it's Volkswagen. There's a car wash up here that I'd love to buy. So much is closed down. So many service places are just done. Crazy. Alright, I figured I'd just share my road trip now. Let me get into Volkswagen and hope this goes well. Thanks for watching.